I am about to show you how our new closet rods will save you a ton of money without sacrificing quality. Welcome back to Express.com. Today I am very excited to show you everything that you need to know about our brand new WE Preferred connecting closet rods. Take a look at this. These closet rods are threaded internally on both sides of the rod, available in 4-foot lengths, and can be purchased as a package deal, which includes 2 4-foot closet rods, and of course, 1 threaded connector. Now let me show you how easy this is. You have a 4-foot piece. You will put the threaded plug into that. Then you'll grab the other 4-foot piece and thread it into that. Doesn't matter which side, they're all threaded on both sides. Tighten it up, and now you have an 8-foot piece. Yes, there's a tiny little seam right there, and as you can see with the hanger, it doesn't even make a noise or really get connected or stop it, or it's beautiful. Now, why would you want this? Let me tell you, it is super strong, made of steel, and just as all the other ones that do not connect together in just one long piece, these are made at 0.078 thickness for the wall. And if you've purchased closet rods in the past, you know that shipping 8-foot, 10-foot, 12-foot closet rods is expensive. Now these coming at 4-foot lengths, we save all that money on shipping, and all you end up with is a nice, pretty little seam. Now, as with all closet rod manufacturers, they recommend putting a support hanger every 4 feet anyhow, which will cover that seam completely. But if you're one that doesn't follow rules and you don't care about those little center support hangers, don't worry, because did I mention these are strong as forget paying overpriced shipping to get your 5-foot, 8-foot, 12-foot, etc. length poles and get yourself our new connecting closet rods. Now these are available in an 1 5/16 round polished chrome finish. Connect as many as you would like. Sky's the limit. Now for a pro tip, I would recommend cutting this closet rod a little off of both ends to keep this seam nice and centered. Therefore, when you are using your support hanger in the center, it will line up, it'll hide that seam, and no one will know the difference that this is not one solid 8-foot piece. Except your pocketbook sure will, because it'll save you and thank you for all those shipping charges that you didn't pay. Now for cutting this very strong steel, I would recommend a hacksaw or a plumber's tubing cutter, or even a reciprocating saw. Easy as that. Now go to Express.com. We also have all of the accessories available, such as the support hangers, and of course the closed round closet rod flange and the open round closet flanges. And as always, thank you so much for watching. And if you have any questions at all, please leave them in the comment section or reach out to our customer service team. They are more than willing to help.